Hello, my name is Mr. Murray and I'm really excited about sharing with you some of the things we do in GCSE RS. Mrs. Murray and I are very successful in what we do and our GCSE outcomes are usually excellent. So I guess we must ask the question, why should I study RS? RS is an integral subject in developing your knowledge and understanding within the multicultural and diverse world in which we live. We want you to be able to understand people, their values and their beliefs, and what drives them so you can be successful in work and in life. Our vision is to allow you to develop key skills for learning and life beyond education. You will gain a deeper understanding of religions and explore philosophy and ethics in the modern world. For example, is it ever morally permissible to kill people? Who kill people, or have even killed multiple people? Is it ever right to abort a fetus, an unborn baby, or is it just a clump of cells? Homosexuality, is it nature or nurture? Do animals have souls, and should they be used for medical advancement? Black Lives Matter, equality or equity, what does this mean? Our subject develops students' critical thinking skills and reasoning. It encourages you to participate through in-depth debates. So what will I study at GCSE? It will be divided essentially into two key parts. So you'll be studying beliefs and practices of Buddhism and Christianity, and there'll be a thematic studies as well. Within the thematic studies, you'll be looking at things like abortion, euthanasia, contraception, capital punishment. You'll be looking at really topical issues that are very, very relevant to your life even. The second part of the course is Christianity and Buddhism, and we'll look at issues that surround how they practice, why they have the values that they do. So, for example, why do Christians get involved in food banks, soup kitchens, etc.? What compels them to do this? There are two exams that are spread out over the summer. The first exam will be on a combination of the Christianity and Buddhism paper, and the second exam will be on the themes. So, for example, looking at issues like we've chatted about, like racism, sexism, etc. But both are evenly split, 50-50. And where will it take me? A religious studies at GCSE can provide you with lots of transferable skills, including communication and literacy skills. You will learn how to communicate your thoughts clearly and create structured arguments. We'll develop your analytical and critical thinking skills. You'll gain excellent analytical and critical thinking skills like a lawyer, basically, and you'll be able to present a case. You'll develop interpersonal skills. So, for example, you'll be able to get on better with your fellow human being. And what jobs can it lead to? A whole string of jobs, essentially, which no door will be left closed. And these jobs include things like, they would include police, teacher, advice worker, youth worker, doctor, within medicine or psychology, psychiatry, politician, law, counsellor, development worker, international AIDS development worker. The list goes on. It links brilliantly with GCSE psychology, with the A-level psychology and sociology. Mr. and Mrs. Murray and myself, we look forward to welcoming you on board GCSE RS. Thank you for listening.